go fishing. We're over here on the bridge by the post office fishing, and a cop car came up and they said that we had to go under the bridge to fish, and we asked if there was a law or whatever, and they said no, but they said that we'd have to take it up through Parsons. And I said, well, I'll ask him and see. Because it's snaky down there. I'm scared. I seen a big water moccasin last time and it scared the hell out of me. Let me see. I don't. Are you Kensett? Yeah, it's Kensett. Well, yeah, they're out here. I mean, they're just waiting for us to get. I mean, we're getting our stuff back to get up together. It's a lady.
All right.
Mary? Mary? Yeah.
We're gonna move so he can get through. We're moving so you can get through.
Do what?
Oh.
Do what now? Okay. Well, I just thought I'd ask. Well, do you know where any other places I go fishing at? Do what, Shannon? Yeah, he said it's a law. Huh?
What?
He said it's a law.
So it's good? She said as he says it's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, but he said that it I'll explain in a minute.
All she wants is his okay.
He said all that she wants is you're okay. But you can't. She said
somebody just called. She needs it okay. Let her know that it's okay.
Okay.
It's her first day doing it. Hear me? Betty. All she needs to know that this ain't her first time out
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Hear me?
All right. Thanks. Okay, I got you.
No, not mad.
All right. All right. Bye, y'all. Thanks. Bye.
Huh?
Okay. I called Alice. Alice is right by Parsons.
Yeah.
And I said,
I can call her, yeah.
I did. I talked to both of them.
Right.
And he's like,
All you had to do is hand the phone to fucking me.
no, that he couldn't get. Listen to me. Let me finish what I'm saying.
I don't believe it.
Yeah. Oh, Shannon. He said that it's against the law to be on the fridge. He said that's why they're saying that or whatever. He said just leave, and he said he can't get on there and give his okay for the fact.
They didn't say it was against the law. They just said.
Yeah, but Parsons said it was.
It's not though.
But Parsons said that he could get in trouble if he gave his permission and somebody got hurt. He said just leave until she goes away, and he said come back. He said you'll be fine. He said I just can't say hey you can, because then I'd be responsible if something happened. He said is it Miss Mary? And I looked at her, I was like, Mary? I guess that's why they drove off whenever realized I was talking to him. I said I used to babysit for him.
Let's go back to fishing here.
Huh?
Let's go back to fishing.
He's like, just leave until, well, I mean.
No, let's go back to fishing, dude.
He said leave until she goes away.
She told me, she said it's clear that you're fishing. She said as long as it's okay, there's no there. So like, we got the okay there. I mean, we're not doing it, Betty. You don't have to. You go in and fucking bridge for it. I'm not gonna fucking let them punt me down. Let's say we go under it. What the fuck? I'm not gonna do that. We do this every day.
Parsons said.
She's not a county. She's nothing, dude.
Parsons said, what is that, Kensett?
Yeah,
I said,
that's
yeah.
what I'm saying. That's Kensett Cops. It's not county, not nothing.
Parsons like.
They gotta come back through and go down there. That's why they didn't fucking do anything. They just got out and stood. She got a call for somebody probably the old guy that stopped and talked to me and act like he didn't know what the hell I was doing, which is none of his business. You see it every day, dude, on YouTube. Cops about this. What happens?
But he said it.
Well, ain't no, dude. What about this? Show me the law. Show it to me. Show me. Okay, go. There's a law about jumping off a bridge, about climbing on a bridge.
He said, basically, I'm telling you, he said, basically, I'm telling you,
you
ain't got it.
I understand.
He said,
you don't got to leave. I understand.
You're not going to get in trouble.
The law is you can't climb and jump off a bridge. Hear me? You cannot.